Welcome to Kayukido.
Today we discuss Halo BassiNest Swivel Sleeper Premier. Are you planning for your newborn to sleep in your room for a while? The Halo BassiNest Swivel Sleeper Premier could be what you need. Halo makes safe, simple, and innovative products to ensure the comfort of the mother and baby. And this model isn't any different. It offers a 360-degree swivel, allowing mums to reach their baby quickly. Read on to learn how it works and how to clean, whether it is worth your money. Product description of Halo BassiNest Swivel Sleeper Premier. The Halo BassiNest Swivel Sleeper offers a 360-degree rotation. It comes with a drop-down side, allowing parents to have their baby in the swivel near them always. With this bassinet, you can co-sleep with your child without actually co-sleeping with them. The bassinet features an adjustable height, meaning it can suit various beds. And it includes a removable mattress with a fitted sheet. Overall, this product offers a great and safe co-sleeping alternative for your newborn baby. Who is it for? This bassinet allows mums to remain close to their babies while sleeping. As such, it's easy for mums to care for their newborns at night. It's recommended for babies weighing 20 pounds and less who haven't started to roll over on their own. As you heal from the C-section or vaginal birth delivery, the bassinet can help you take care of your child without too much movement. You can use it for both daytime and nighttime sleeps as it is lightweight and features a portable design. Product design and product performance of Halo BassiNest Swivel Sleeper Premier. If you're looking for a pleasant-looking sleeper, the Halo BassiNest Swivel Sleeper Premier may be your best bet. It comes with a sleek silhouette and is available in classic damask and harmony circles prints. It takes little space. Thus, your room will not feel crowded with newborn items. Also, it includes an incredibly thin mattress and a plastic fitted sheet. The mesh sides enable mums to see their baby while offering safety and breathability to the baby should their face press against the mesh. The Halo BassiNest Swivel Sleeper Premier is easy to use. Getting in and out of bed is simple, thanks to the 360-degree swivel. Therefore, you can move your baby closer or further away from you easily. It rests on the mattress directly, such that it feels like you're co-sleeping. But then your baby is safe in their own sleeping space. Overall, this sleeper will make your life easier when using it to soothe your baby as they will be close to you. Pros of Halo BassiNest Swivel Sleeper Premier. A safe and sturdy sleeper with a durable construction. Comes with breathable mesh sides that allow the baby's safety and viability. Offers a smooth and 360-degree swivel that works seamlessly. The height can be adjusted, making it suitable for various bed heights. Includes a storage pocket, fitted sheet, music and vibration module, and nightlight features. Cons of Halo BassiNest Swivel Sleeper Premier. Useful for a short period as you'll still need to buy a baby crib. Assembly instructions are not that easy to follow. Features of Halo BassiNest Swivel Sleeper Premier. The sleeper stands right against the side of your bed. It includes a retractable sidewall that lowers easily, allowing you to take your baby out and put them in comfortably. It also rotates to a full 360 degrees. So, you don't have to scooch down awkwardly to pick your baby. Additionally, its four-legged base is very stable, and it can be adjusted from 22 to 34 inches. Again, there's a vibration feature with various sounds you can choose from. Frequently asked questions. What are the dimensions? The item measures 37.6 by 18.12 by 10.83 inches in length, width, and height, respectively. It comes with its base legs stuck under the bed and only requires a clearance of about 32 inches from the wall. Thus, it is suitable for small spaces. Where can I buy? Many buyers tend to make their Halo Swivel Sleeper purchases from Amazon. While this retailer doesn't offer discounts to reduce the overall costs, they offer protection plans on top of Halo's warranty. How do I clean the bassinet? You only need to wipe the sides with a damp cloth when cleaning. But, you can remove the fitted sheet and wash it using a machine. Do I need newborn insert? Halo also sells a newborn insert for those who want another protection layer. It's safe up to 15 pounds or when your baby starts to roll over. It makes the baby feel more secure by narrowing the sleep space. Is it worth it? Yes. If money isn't an issue and you have the space, The Halo BassiNest Swivel Sleeper Premier is one of the best sleepers you can get. Its incredible features like the 360-degree swivel, adjustable height, etc., will simplify things, especially during the early weeks. Conclusion: the Halo Baby Bassinet isn't the cheapest in the market. However, it offers a safe, comfortable, and convenient place for your baby to sleep. During the first months, apart from its impressive features, the Halo BassiNest Swivel Sleeper is also an attractive piece.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.